Welcome to the Lifestyle Medicine Update. I'm Dr. James Meschino. You know, the daily use of ground flaxseed, about a heaping tablespoon a day, has shown impressive health benefits in many human clinical trials. So ground flaxseed can help to reduce high cholesterol. It can improve regularity, reversing constipation problems. It's been shown to reverse fibrocystic breast disease and improve the health of the male prostate gland. And it may help to prevent hormone-dependent cancers such as breast and uterine and prostate cancer, according to experimental studies. Now, in the December 18 edition of the American Journal of Physiology, Endocrinology, and Metabolism, researchers published an impressive study showing how ground flaxseed may also help in weight loss and improving energy levels. So we know that organisms that live in the digestive tract, the gut bacteria or the microflora, they play a role in regulating weight and the way the body processes sugar or glucose. So the breakdown of dietary fiber in the gut, a process called fermentation, can produce favorable changes in the digestive system, such as an increase in beneficial fatty acids, which may reduce the production of fat tissue in the body and improve immune function. So in this study, researchers studied the fermentation of flaxseed powder within the gut of mice. So they fed mice one of 4 different diets over a 12-week period. So the first group of mice got a standard diet that contained 4.6% soy-based fiber. That's sort of the control group. Then they gave another group of mice for 12 weeks a very high-fat diet that had no fiber. They gave another group of mice a high-fat diet that contained 10% indigestible fiber known as cellulose fiber. Then they gave another group a high-fat diet that contained 10% flaxseed powder. So they had a high-fat diet, but they added flaxseed to it. So the group that got the flaxseed ended up being much more physically active, and they had less weight gain than the other groups that were given lots of fat with or without fiber. So the presence of fiber in the diet prevented diet-induced obesity in these animals and improved their activity level and their energy expenditure. So the mice that received the flaxseed also showed better glucose control or blood sugar control, as well as they had better levels or higher levels of these beneficial fatty acids in the gut that are linked to the prevention of weight gain and various diseases. So when examining the intestinal contents of the mice, the researchers found evidence that they had bacteria in this group that were the ones that could ferment the fiber from flaxseed, which they then fermented into more beneficial fatty acids and other health-promoting products. So ingesting flaxseed appears to favorably alter the bacterial composition of the gut in a way that produces fermented products from flaxseed ingestion that can reduce and reverse weight gain and improve energy and activity levels. The researchers conclude the following. Our data suggests that flaxseed fiber supplementation affects host metabolism by increasing energy expenditure and reducing obesity as well as improving glucose tolerance or blood sugar regularity. So this is one more reason to add a heaping tablespoon of ground flaxseed each day, as I do. You can add it to a protein shake, some low-fat yogurt, a bowl of cereal, but put it into a low-fat muffin, or any other way you want to ingest it, because it may also help to prevent unnecessary weight gain, boost your energy level, and help to reverse weight gain and obesity as one more strategy to help deploy to help you stay leaner and more energized. So I've included the research paper cited here, as well as another flaxseed review paper you might find interesting in the text below. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.